Assalamu alaikum grade 9 students. Hope you are all fine. Today we will read chapter number 1 of computer science. The name of chapter number 1 is Fundamental of Computer. Our topic is computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up computer system. Important points. 1. Hardware components of computer. 2. Ports, expansion slots and expansion. Now we learn about the hardware components of computer in detail. Hardware components of computer systems are classified into input devices, system unit, storage devices, output devices, and memory. Input devices. All the devices used to feed data into the computer are known as input devices. Input devices allow us to communicate with the computer. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, and touchscreen. Keyboard. It is the main input device to communicate with the computer. It allows the computer user to enter letters, numbers, and special symbols into the computer. A keyboard is shown in figure 1.24. Mouse. It is a handheld device used to control the movements of cursor or pointer on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons at the front that allows the computer user to make selection in menu, draw graphics or open files, folders, and programs. A mouse is shown in figure 1.25. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device with a vertical lever mounted on a base. The lever usually includes buttons called triggers, which activate certain events when passed. Joysticks are mainly used for computer games. Microphone. It is a device that allows computer users to input audio into the computer. It changes audio signals into electrical signals, which are translated into digital form by the sound card or processing in the computer. A microphone is shown in figure 1.26. Scanner. It is a device that captures images from photographs, magazines, books, etc. and stores them in computer in digital form. These images can be edited, displayed on the screen, or inserted in documents. Many scanners also include optical character recognition (OCR) software, which can convert an image or text into a text file that can be edited. A scanner is shown in figure 1.27. Barcode reader. It is a device that reads the barcode printed on products that represents product code, description, and price. This information is used by the computer to print bill for the customer. A barcode reader is shown in figure 1.28. Digital camera. It is a device used to capture pictures and store them in digital form. These pictures can be downloaded to computer for editing, viewing, or inserting in documents. Our digital camera is shown in figure 1.29. Touch screen. It is a pressure-sensitive display screen that is used to interact with the computer by touching pictures or words with finger. Touch screen is more commonly used with mobile phone and tablet. A touch screen is shown in figure A 1.30. Touchpad. A touchpad is an input device on laptop and some keyboards to move a cursor with finger. As user moves finger on the surface, the mouse cursor moves in their same directions. A touchpad is shown in figure B 1.30. System unit. System unit is the main part of computer. It includes motherboard, power supply, and drives such as DVD and hard disk inside the computer casing. All the input-output devices of a computer are connected to system unit through the ports. Motherboard. Motherboard is a main circuit board inside the system unit. It contains microprocessor, main memory, expansion cards, and IC chips, connectors, and the other electronic components. It has many buses, electric pathways printed on it. They are used to transmit information between various components of the computer. All the input-output devices are connected to the motherboard. A motherboard is shown in figure 1.30. Microprocessor. A microprocessor is the main chip on the motherboard that controls all the activities of the computer. It is also known as Central Processing Unit (CPU). or simply processor. It contains control unit CU, arithmetic logic unit ALU, and registers. A microprocessor and the block diagram of CPU are shown in figure 1.32. ALU. It is a part of the computer that performs all the calculation and comparisons. It consists of arithmetic unit and logic unit. Arithmetic unit performs all the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logic unit performs logic operations which includes comparisons of numbers of alphabets. Control unit controls the operations of all the components of the computer. It controls the working of all the input-output devices, storage devices, and ALU. CU load programs into the memory and execute them. It consists of very complicated circuits. Registers. Registers are small memory units inside the microprocessor used to temporarily store some information during the execution of program. Some commonly used registers are instructions register, accumulator register, data register, and memory address register. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store programs and data that are not currently used by the computer. They have huge storage capacity, therefore they are also known as mass storage devices or secondary memory. Hard disk is the most commonly used storage device that is fixed inside the system unit. Portable storage devices are CD, DVD, memory card, and USB flash drive. Portable storage devices have less storage capacity than hard disk, but they are cheap and easy to carry. Hard disk. A hard disk is a magnetic storage device and used to store computer data. It has storage capacity of hundreds of gigabytes. It is fixed inside a computer casing. Portable hard disk is also available that is attached to USB port. CD. CD stands for the compact disk. It is a portable optical storage device with a storage capacity of 700 megabytes. A CD is 1.2 mm thick with a diameter of 120 mm. CD drive is used to read data from or write data to a CD. DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. It has the same thickness and diameter as CD but has more storage capacity. Its storage capacity is in the range of 4 to 16 GB. A DVD write is installed in the computer to read data from or write data to a DVD. A CD can also be used in a DVD writer. Memory card. Memory card is a small storage device having storage capacity of few gigabytes. It is available in different sizes and storage capacity. Memory cards are generally used in laptop, computer, and portable devices such as a mobile phone and digital camera for storing pictures, audio, and video. A memory card is shown in figure 1.33. USB flash drive. USB flash drive is a small portable drive that is connected to computer through USB port. It is also known as USB memory. It is very fast in operation and its storage capacity is up to 128 GB till now. A USB flash drive is shown in figure 1.34. Output devices. Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor to the print information on paper. Information displayed on monitor is known as soft copy and anything printed on paper is known as hard copy or printout. Commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker. Monitor. It is an output device that has a screen on which information is displayed. It has two common types: CRT cathode ray tube monitor and LCD liquid crystal display monitor. CRT monitor is very similar to old television. It is almost obsolete due to its big size and low display quality. LCD monitor is slim, uses less power, and has better display quality than CRT monitor. CRT and LCD monitors are shown in figure 1.35. Printer. Printer is an output device that prints text and graphics on paper, which is known as hard copy. There are two types of printers, which are impact and non-impact printers. Printer. Printer is an output device that prints text and graphics on paper, which is known as hard copy. There are two types of printers, which are impact and non-impact printers. Impact printers uses electromechanical mechanism which causes the character's shape to strike against the paper and leave an image of the character on the paper. Dot matrix printer is the most commonly used impact printer. The printing speed varies from 50 to 500 CPS characters per second. Their printing is very cheap, but print quality is poor. They produce lot of noise while printing. These printers are still in use for printing invoices, bank statements, utility bills, etc. A dot matrix print is shown in figure 1.36a. Non-impact printers. Non-impact printers print without sticking the paper. There are two types of non-impact printers, which are inkjet and laser printers. Inkjet printer stores ink in cartridge and sprays on paper through fine nozzles on the print head. Laser printers uses technology similar to the photocopying machine. Laser printer is more expensive, faster and has very high print quality compared to inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are used in all sectors such as homes and simple business. Laser printers are perfect for large scale businesses. Inkjet and laser printers are shown in figure 1.36b-c. Plotter. Plotter is an output device used for printing engineering drawing, machine parts, building design, maps, charts, and pamphlets, etc. on large size paper sheets. Such large size printing is not possible on printer. It is more expensive than printer. There are two types of plotters, that is ink plotter and pen plotter. Ink plotter is used for printing images, whereas pen plotter is used for printing engineering drawings, machine parts, building design, etc. Plotter is a slow output device, but its printing quality is good. A plotter is shown in figure 1.37. Speaker. Speaker is a device used to produce audio output. A pair of speakers is attached to the sound card on the motherboard. Speakers are commonly used with multimedia software and for playing music and videos on computer. A pair of speakers is shown in figure 1.38. Memory. Memory unit store data and programs that are being executed by the computer. It also stores the results produced by the ALU after processing the data. There are three types of memories on the motherboard, which are ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory, and cache. There are known as main memory of primary memory of computers. ROM, read-only memory. ROM is a single IC chip which is installed on the motherboard as shown in figure 1.41. It stores the basic input-output system BIOS of computer that controls input-output devices and the startup or boot process. BIOS program tests the computer's components when it is turned on and then load the operating system into the RAM to make the computer ready for operation. BIOS programs are permanently stored in ROM when it is manufacturing. It is non-volatile memory, that is, the programs stored in it are not lost when the computer is turned off. There are three common types of ROM, which are PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, erasable programmable ROM, and EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable ROM. RAM, random access memory. RAM is high-speed memory installed on the motherboard. It is read-write memory. Information can be read from or written into it. Programs are loaded into RAM from secondary storage devices such as hard disk or USB flash drive for execution by the microprocessor. It is volatile memory, which means information stored in it is lost when the computer is turned off. RAM modules are installed in the memory slots on the motherboard. RAM modules are shown in figure 1.42. Cache memory. Cache is a very small amount of extremely fast memory inside the microprocessor or on the motherboard. It is faster and more expensive than RAM. It stores information that is most frequently used by the computer. The purpose of using cache is to improve the processing speed of computer. There are three types of the cache memory, which are level 1, level 2 and level 3. As shown in figure 1.43, cache is built inside the microprocessor, whereas L1 and L3 are on the motherboard. L1 cache is faster than L2 and L3 cache. Second point is ports, expansion slot and expansion card. Ports. Ports is an interface of connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. There are various types of ports for connecting keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphone, speakers and other input-output devices as shown in figure 1.44. Expansion slots and expansion cards. Expansion slots are long, narrow sockets on the motherboard used for installing expansion card. Expansion cards are small circuit board. These cards add new capabilities to the computers. Commonly used expansion cards are sound card, graphic card, modem card, and network card. In modern computers use, these cards are built in on the motherboard. A network card is shown in figure 1.44.